on this side. Hold on, wait. Yeah. How's it going? Look at my beard now. Look at that chest. I don't came off. Let's get it. Oh, shit. So good or what? Yeah, with the song. Yeah. Another one here. Not yet, that was tomorrow. 30 reset. Right here, right? Is it right here? Let's go. Hell yeah! First one of the day. Hell yeah! Oh, two! Hell yeah! Woo! 2-1, boy. Hey, this is on the right. Oh, there's one. Hey, that was a good one right there, boy. Oh shit! One. There goes the other one. We were out here driving around. Just driving around. And sure enough, got two more here. He's got one right in, so he's got two now. Let's see, dude. Let's get it, Roger. Let's go. Hell yeah. Tá bonito. Let's get it. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. So we out here. They got one. People back there got one. We're next with one of these. He's next to catch one. Oh shit! Let's see. Who's gonna take it? Yes sir, we on to another one. Let's get it, Jern, let's get it. Come on, let's look. Yeah, go to the right. Yeah, the left. Sorry. Yes, sir. Let's get it, boy. Yeah. What is it, our fourth one? Yeah. What, he's got to get the net over here. You good, Jeremy? You good? Sir. Just bring him in. Just bring him in. Fourth one. Let's get it. sir. Fourth one of the day. Let's get it. Let me see them lunkers.
Oh my god. That's what the hell they all get the same bad weight.
Oh, we saw that lightning too. This is what he be looking at. So let's get it. Alright guys, we got some people next to us. Even he's on right there. Like, oh, let's get it. Let's get it. We out here. We all catching. He got one. He got 2 on 1. I got one. They got one. Let's get it. Look at that. Yes, sir. Who's next? Who's next? Let's go. What's this, our 5th one? Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, look at Poppy Sexy over here. Let's get it. Oh, look at that. Look. Yes, sir. Well, that's a big one, though? Oh, no. There we go. Here we go, guys. What? 5th one? 5th one of the day? Hey, how's it feel to be a cherry pop for a red? Oh my god.
What did you say?
Ooh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, sir. Yeah. Where?
Holy shit.
Oh my god. Fake? Oh. God damn. Oh, another one added.
Hey, I got a good news.
Oh. Germ. Go, go, go. Yes, sir. Hooked up on another. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Roll that hole in. It ain't like you filling in a little minnow, dude. Come on now. You gotta. No, you do it slow. Pause and reel up. There you go. And then pause. There you go. When you go down, you reel. Ándale, papi chulo. Let's go, buddy. Almost there. You got about another 100 feet of line to reel in. And that's what happens when you have a real strong line. With you, your light line like us, you would have already. Ooh, okay. Bring it towards him, bring it towards him.
Pull out that way. Pull out that way. Oh, it's not in yet.
No, he's right here.
Damn.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Every time he was trying to go for it, I would pull it the other way, so it goes. There you go, Maya. Let me see. Let me see that big boy. Yo. Finally catching some real fish, buddy. Here. Some real fish. God, the recording still full? I know. There we go. So we really came out here for
No, I was watching them because he was bucking it.
Let's get it, man.
Hey, another one, Oh, here. Oh, shit. I should have killed the beer.
If you have symptoms of fever, try hard.
I am.
It's like twins over here.
There you go.
Go ahead, go.
One here, another hook right here. Oh, this was fighting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's get it.
Bro, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's get it.
Yeah, we got it just time, right?
Woo. Oh yeah. This is Big Bertha right here, boy. Big Bertha. This is what we've been after. The big mama lonas.
Hey, Jerm. Oh, never mind. Oh, here.
Oh. This is what we after. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Hey, can you take a picture of that?
Alright, guys. I think those are the ones we just caught, the ones that are on top.
Yeah, there you have it.
We limit out with 9. I think he got 4. And he got like 2. And I got the rest. Look at this. That's the biggest one right here. Look at that. Yes, sir. That was the last one of the day. Let's get it. Alright, guys. If you ever come to Calaveras, don't be like these people. Our guy was telling us that this is a no wake zone or wave zone. Alright, I don't know what the hell happened, but my GoPro messed up or whatever. But yeah, just don't be like these people. Yeah, because see, like people like that and like us and these people are trying to get in the water or get out, and they're making all this damn movement in the water. So just a quick tip, you know. But hey, that's gonna conclude our day. We limit out. He caught some, our other guy caught some, I caught some, thanks to this guy right here. So let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. God damn, sir. There we go, boys. Ugly things. Look at that. Look at these ugly things. Look. Look at them. Ugly looking things. Yeah! Get the hell out. Here he comes, boys. This is the guy we came with. The man, the legend. The all-time red catching guy. Go.
Rip all that shit off.
There's a heart, and there's another one right there. So crazy. Look at that. It's crazy, still pumping in my hand.
One
Days well worked. Hell yeah. Yes, sir, the VR. Yeah, he's still lost. Oh. Yes. There you go. Right, end of the day. The Bass Pro limit out 2.5 hours.